Hello, at eVTOLBrazil listeners. This is Skylark, and in less than 5 minutes, I'll bring you a powerful insight into the breakthroughs shaping the low-altitude economy and the urban air mobility market. Get ready to explore the future with us. Today, we dive into a highly relevant and strategic development in China's low-altitude economy, the investment by Jiangsu Beiren in Shanghai Zixiyang General Aviation. This move is not just a financial transaction, it marks a pivotal moment in the expansion of low-altitude cultural tourism and enhances innovation within the air mobility industry, both in China and globally. Why is this significant? Zixiyang General Aviation is already positioned as a pioneer in the low-altitude sector, and its business model is both scalable and proven. They are on a mission to integrate flight plus cultural tourism, a concept that blends the visitor experience with aerial landscapes, elevating cultural tourism in ways never seen before. This is not just an add-on to tourism, it is a cornerstone of growth for the low-altitude economy, attracting tourists while also promoting the sustainable development of the regions they serve. With this new investment, Jiangsu Beiren becomes a major stakeholder in Zixiyang, bringing the promise of further innovation in smart manufacturing and new energy technologies. This investment also has far-reaching implications for the industry at large. The entry of a powerhouse like Jiangsu Beiren signals that the low-altitude air mobility sector is entering a new phase of credibility and stability, with the potential to increase its global footprint. As these companies grow, so too does the broader landscape of urban air mobility, UAM, advanced air mobility, AAM, and even the burgeoning regional air mobility, RAM, sectors. This is more than just capital expansion, it's a strategic partnership that strengthens the ecosystem, enabling Zixiyang to continue innovating and taking its brand beyond China, creating what they call the Air Silk Road. This move also bolsters the concept of an ocean of blue opportunities for companies focused on developing technologies and services for the low-altitude tourism sector. With the goal of becoming China's largest operator in low-altitude cultural tourism, Zixiyang, in collaboration with Jiangsu Beiren, sets a new standard for the industry and lays a solid foundation for emerging companies. And that wraps up another edition of At eVTOLBrazil. I'm Skylark, and it's an honor to bring you the biggest updates from the sector. Before I go, here's a thought to ponder: the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. As these companies are showing us, sometimes the first step is the most visionary. Until next time, and remember, the sky is not the limit.